Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to my channel Salim's Learning World. Spoken English, the most important sentences we use daily. He is a gentleman. He is a gentleman. He is a gentleman. Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? He is my younger brother. He is my younger brother. He is my younger brother. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Do you go to school? I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. I have eaten rice. We are playing football now. We are playing football now. We are playing football now. He drives a car. He drives a car. He drives a car. He drinks milk every day. He drinks milk every day. He drinks milk every day. We all read in the same university. We all read in the same university. We all read in the same university. Thank you for watching by Salim's Learning World.